Hi, okay. This is a chessboard I made. Okay, let's take a look at the chessboard I made. Okay. It means that this is black. That means, and that's the white. Black, black, white, and these are black. Okay, let's play. Make a play nice game. Okay. I will arrange first the okay. I have a prepared game chess that I was played from the past. So I write it by A to H and number 1 to 8. So I was the black. This is a pawn. This is a pawn. That's a pawn. That one is a pawn. This is a bishop. This is a rook, and then so we will see the game. Okay, don't be confused for the white that you think it's will be the winner. No, I'm the black. I won the game. Okay, the first move was e2, e4. So that means this is e. That's a b c d e. Okay, and then the number 1 2. So e2 from e4. Okay, e2 to e4. Yeah. And the next move that I moved was g7, g6, a b c d e f g 7. This is g7. Okay, 7, that's number 7. This is number 7. This is g. So therefore g7 to, what is that? G7 to g6. Okay, therefore that's 6g6. Okay, next. He or she move e4 to e5. e4. Where is e? Yeah, e. e4 to e5. Yun. Okay, e4 to e5. Next, f8 g7. f8 g7. 87 d2 d4 d2 d4 abcd to abcd to d4 there. Okay, d2 d4. Okay, b8 c6. b8, this is letter B. c6. Okay, b8 c6. What next? c1 e3. c1 c1 to e3. A B C D E3. G8 H6. G8. That's G8 H6. G8 H6. Okay. F1, C4, number 5. 5 moves. F1, C4. Where is F1, C4? Ano yung F1? This is C4. Nakabaligtad. I will okay, this is F1, C4, ABC4. There, 4 letter C. Okay, and then F. So this is F, then 1, F1. Yes, F1, C4. Okay, C4. Next, okay, this is my copy. F1, number 5 na tayo, no? C4N. H6, F5. H6. H6. F5. Okay. Next, D1, F3. D1, F3. D1, F3. Okay, excuse me. Okay, D1, F3. Next, C8, G8. C8. This is C. C8. What's the next move? Number 6. SD1, F3, E8. E8. This one, okay, castling. E8, G8. That is E8, G8. Next, number 7, G1, E2. The white moves. The white move, G1, E2. G1. Okay, it's G1, E2. Okay, G1, E2. Next, E7, E6. Black turn. E7, E6. 7, E. This is letter E. Ito, letter E to. A, B, C, D, E. E7, E6. Okay. Then, number 7 na tayo. Number E7, E6 there. E7, E6, number 7. Number 8, E2, F4. White turn. E2, F4. E2, F4. Okay, E2, F4. Okay. A7, A6. A7, A6. A7. This is letter A7, A6. Okay. That's it. A7, A6. A7, A6. Number 9. E1, G1. E1. G1. castling. E1, G1. Okay. B7, B5. B7, AB, 7, B5. And that's the number 5. B7, B5. Number 10, C4, B3. C4, C4, B3. C4. What's the turn of white, no? C4, B3, yes, number 10. C4, AB, C4, B3. C4, B3. C4, B3, atras. Okay, umatras lang yung bishop niya. Umiwas. So, he turn. Okay. C4, B3. Okay, A8, B8. Black turn. A8, B8. Okay, A8, B8. Okay, white turn. Number 11, B1, C3. Now that's it, yes, B1. AB, 1, C3. B1, C3. Okay, there. B is just 3. This is 3, no? This letter B, huh? So that's B1, C3. Letter C. Okay. B1, C3. Number 11, F5, D4. F5, D4. So if you want to make like this, you have to be aware that, be sure that all your letters and numbers are correctly copied to each. Okay, so what we know is, yes, we are on number 11. Number 10, C4, B3, A5, B1, C3, F5, D4. F5, F5, D4. What's that? F5, D4, yan. Yan. That's knight takes 5, D4. Okay, F5, D4. Next, E3, D4. E3, D4. Okay, E3, D4. Yes. Knight takes. Okay, that's the piece. Okay, I sacrifice the knights. No? Okay. What the E3, D4, C6. Next, C6, D4, C6. The C6, 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 D4. So D4. Okay. C6, D4. Okay. F3, E4. F3, F3, E4. F3, E4. Okay. F3, E4. C8, B7. C8, 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 B7. Okay. Tinapat lang, no? Sa excuse me kasi samid ako eh. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, that is on the C8, B7. C8, Yes, that's it. C8 B7. The bishop. C8 B7. Number 14. E4 D4. E4. E4. D4. Okay. Queen takes. Queen. Right, no, E4 D4. Queen takes. Okay, ayun na. Dalawa ng knights. Isang bishop lang ako. Okay, E4 D4. Okay, let us change the no? Para hindi tayo malito. Change the pawn. Mamaya ipo-focus natin yung game. No, para yan. Okay. Number 14, E4 D4, D8 G5. D8 with CD. D8. What's this? D8 G5. D8 G5. There, that's the letter G and the number 5. Okay, that's D8 8. Okay, kiniklear lang natin that's a letter D. D8 G5. Okay, next white move number 15 hanggang 36 move na. Okay, F2 F3. Bilisan natin F2 F3. A B C D E F 2 F3. Yun. F2 F3 G7 E5 G7 E G7 G7 E5. Ayun. Takes G7 E5. Next niya bishop takes the pawn. E7 E7. Yes, that. Okay. Number 16 F2 F3 G7 E5. Okay, D4 D7 D4 ABC D4 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 D7. Kasi ito D4 to D7. Ayun. Okay, he takes the pawn. D4 D7 D4 E5 F4 E5 E5 BCD E5 F4. Ayun. E5 F4. E5 F4. Okay. E5. Yes. Don't be confused na the white was winning. No. The black won the game. Okay, let us see how it happens. Okay. What's the next move? Okay. That is D4 D7 and then E5 to F4 C3. Next move C3 E4 C3. Okay, where's letter C? Yeah, C3 E4 C3 A B C D C C3. Ayun ito C3 C3 E4. Yan. Okay, C3 E4, G5, E5, G5, G5, E5, G5, E5. There. G5, E5. Pagpalit lang natin tong ano na. Ayan, bishop kasi yan, bishop to. Bishop din yan. Okay, pinalitan lang natin. Okay, G5, E5, D4, D7, D4, D7, D4, C, D4, ano yung D4? Nata yung D4, D4, number 16, G7, E5, D4, D7. Ano na yung dito natin? D4, D4. Okay, let's D4, C4, C3, 16, D4, D7, E5, F4, E5, D4, ABCD. Ano yung D? Okay. Natin teka lang, no? D4, G7, E5, G7. Hindi, ito. G7. Kasi na natin. G7, A, B, C, D, E, F, G7, E5, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G7, yata, G7, E5, E, A, B, C, D, E, 5 dun, G7, E5, G7, E5, G7, E5. Okay, and then D4, D7, D4. Ito nandito to, no? Taka, saan ba ito? D4. Ano yung D4 natin? Baka C4 to. C4, yes. E4, D4, F2, D4, F2, F3, F2, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F2, F3, F2, F2, F3, F2, F3. Kitapos ng F2, F3, F2, 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 F3, G7, E5, G7, E5. Ito, G7. Ito na, dito yung G7 natin. Napunta rito. G7, CD, E5. Ano yung G7 ito yata? G7, G7, E5. D4, D4, D7, D4. Ano yung letter D? Ito, D. D4. D4, D7. Ayun. D4, D7. Baka ito. Ito dito yan. Ayun. E4. D4. Mati siya rin eh. Hindi, nandito yan. Dito. Ba't meron tayong G7, G7, B7, G7, ito, G7, E5, G7, E5, yun, G7, E5, G7, E5, E4, D4, F2, F3. So, nandito tayo, no? Pagka D4, okay, D4, D7 nya. Pagka G7, E5 natin, okay, nandito to sa, okay, dito sa D4, D4, okay, D4, D7, yun, for D7. T-next nya yung pawn dito, no? May pawn dyan, eh. There's a pawn there. Okay, takes D4, D7. Okay. Then the next, E5, F4, E5, 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 F4, E5, F4, E5, F4, A, B, C, D, E5. Ito yung E, E5, E5, F4, E5, and then E5, E, A, B, C, D, E, E5, D4, D7, E5, F4, E, C, D, E5, F4. Dito yan. E5, F4. Baka nandito pa yan. Dito yan. E5, F4 yan. Nandito yung queen dito yan. Ito yun dun. Nandito kanina yan. Dito. Tapos dun. Nandito yung queen natin, eh. Okay. E5, F4, C3, E4, C3. Okay. C3, E4, A, B, C3, C3, A, B, C3. Ito, wala yung C3 natin. Ito pa lang. C3, okay, C3, E4. Ayun, yun pa lang siya. Okay. C3, E4. Okay, G5, E5. G5, G5, E5. Ito pala nandito yan, oh. Kasi ito pinatakbo niya, no? Ayan, oh. Ano pala yung natin, pinatakbo. Inano niya yung queen, no? Kaya itong queen nandito. Okay. O G5, E5. O yun. Tapos dito tayo. Ayun. G5, E5. Okay. Focus natin yung ano. Yan. G5, E5. Okay, next. Pagka G5, E5, F1, E1. Okay, F1. Okay. F1. Yes. Balik natin. F1, E1. F1, ABCD, E1. Yan. F1, E1. Okay, F1, E1. Then B7, E4, B7. There's B7, E4, B7. Tayo ka. F1, E1. F8 to eh. F1. Ito ang F. Ayun ang F1. Ito na siya titira pala. White na. White will turn. F1, E1. Ayun. F1, E1. Number 18 moves. F1, E1. Then, B7, E4. F1, E1. F1 to E1. Yun. Suporta yung ano. F1, E1. Okay. And then next, B7, E4. Black turn. B7, B7, E4. To. B7, E4. Yun. Bishop takes knights. Bishop take knights. And then B7, E4, E1, E4. Okay. Rook takes bishop. Okay. F4, H2. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, F1. Yes, that is as the rook, E1, E4, E1, E4. Rook takes bishop. F4, H2. Black turn. F4. This F4, H2. Yes, check. F2 check. Okay. Okay. F4, H2. 20 moves. G1, H1. G1, H1. Or G1, H1. G1, H1. Next. E5, G3. E5. E5. A, B, C, D, E. 5, G3. E5, G3. E5. E5. Okay. Next. Check. G5. F4. H2. H2, G1, H1. F4, H2, G1, H1. E3, E5, G3. A, B, C, D, E. E5. A, B, C, D, E. Ito, E5. G3. E5. E5, G3. Yes. E5, G3. E5, G3. That's the 3. Okay, that's 5. That's a letter E. This is DE. From F5 to G3. Okay. That is 3. Is letter G. Okay, that is 3. Okay. G3. Next. After E5, G3, white turn. Okay. What is this? E4, G4. This is E4, G4. A, B, C, D, E. E4 to G4. E4, G4. Yes. E4, E4, G4. B8, D8. B8. B8, D8. B8, D8. Okay, number, ano tayo? Moves natin. Number 22. D7, E7. D7. White turn. D7, E7. D7, E7. Ito. D7 to E7. Yun. D7 to E7 to. D7, E7. G3, D6. Okay, let's focus. G3, D6. CDF, G3. D6. G3. G3, D6. G3. Okay. D6. G3, D6. E7, H4. E7. E7, H4. E7, H4. H2, E5. H2. H2. H2, E5. H2, E5. Okay, ito. Natatapos na. F3, F4. White turn. F3. F3, F4. Ito. E5, G7. E5, G7. E5, G7. C2, C3. C2. C2, C3. Okay, yun ito. This is the move. C2, C3. F7, F5. F7, F5. Okay, 7, F5. Ayan, focus. Next, white turn. A1, D1. A1, D1. That's it. A1, D1. Okay. D6 C5 D6 C5 D6 C5. Okay. D1 D8 D1 D8. Rook takes rook. F8 D8 F8 D8. Check. Okay, that's the rook takes rook, rook takes rook, and then check, queen takes rook, check, and then G7 to F8. Yes, F8. The next move, B3 E6 B3 E6. Check. B3 E6. Okay, check. You see that the white is winning. No, but the black won the game. Okay, let us see. I won the game here. Okay, I win the game here. Okay. Oh, okay. Next move, check. So it's understood. Okay, what's the king? That is G7 H8. It's a D8 D7 C5 G7 G7 G7. Ito, G7 to H8. Yan. G7 na rin dito. G7 H8. Taka. D8 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 ABCD ABCD D8 D8 D7 D8. Okay. G4. Kita mo ng B. C, D, E, F, B. B3 E6. B3 E6. Okay. Check B3 E6. G8 G8 G. Ito saan ba to? G8 G7. G8. Kamali tayo dito. H1 D8 D7 H1 H2 B3 E6 G7 F8 G7 sin G7 F8 G7 G7 F8. Ito G7 dito G7 G4 5 6 G7 F8 na kinain tayo dito. G7 G4 B3 E6 G8 G7 G8 ABCD E F G 8 G8 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 So, ang next na tira niya dito, no? So, ito, G1, H2, E1, G1, H1, 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 H2, H1, H2. So, Chimek dito. Kasi dito siya takip dito. Kasi tumakip na din kaya pagka ganin niya, yan, dito siya, no? And then siyempre tumira tayo ng F2, E1, D7, G4, G8, G7, H8. Okay. Oh. F2 natin. H2. Bali ang maging ano ni natin dito. Eto. Kasi check ako dun No, eto nandito siya. Yan, kasi mamamati na ako dun. Yan. Mamamati na ako dyan. So ito, wala na to. No, nandito yata sa okay. So anong nangyari dyan? Dito siya. Okay, check ako dun. No? So ang ganun nangyari dyan. Yan. Check ako dun. Dito. Kasi one check na ako, mati na ako dun. Check na ako. Mati na ako dun. May rook pa yata siya dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung rook. Nandito yan. Nandito yung rook ba? Ayan, nandyan. Bumaba niya yung rook niya. Kasi dito mati na ako. Mati na ako dyan. Dapat mati ako ganun. So, nangyari, yan. So, check ako doon, ha? Dito ata ako galing. Check ako. Siyempre, akit lang siya, no? Okay. So, check ulit ako dito. Yan. So, dito lang siya, no? Ngayon, check ako doon. Nauna ako siya, yun, no? Check. Okay. Pagka-check ko doon. Okay. And then, siyempre, eto, check ko doon. Mati siya, no? Dito na lang siya. Okay. That is the final move niya. Okay. And then I will checkmate. One move na lang ako dito. Checkmate na. Nauna ako siya, no? Nauna. Okay, that's it. I will send na lang the A to 8 HN 1 to 8 numbers and letter chessboard. Chess. Okay? Writings. The assets of writings. Okay? Thank you.